Yeah, hi friends. Today we will see sample app deployment on Docker in Ubuntu server. We'll create an EC2 instance and we'll deploy the Python sample app through Ubuntu server. Yeah, we'll create one server. I can name my Python app. Select Ubuntu. We'll provide an existing key pair. We'll select VPC, VPC, public subnet, and enabling public IP. Possibly, I'm giving all traffic allowing in sector group. In advanced settings, I'm selecting the IAM role for SSH to connect the mission. And that's it. With the launch button. We'll wait some time to up the server. It's loading. Meanwhile, we'll do some document steps to deploy. First of all, install a Docker and for git repo and all, we need to clone. For that, we need to install Docker and git, and to deploy, you need to install a Python. And in this case, Python and git, Ubuntu server defaultly it will provide. If we update the server, defaultly the server will update, give the Python and git. We need to install only Docker for now. We'll build the Docker image with this command, and we'll run this command to up the Docker application. This is a sample application. I'll show you the repo also. This is the Dockerfile. You can see the steps, Python version, app directory, Python commands, and we are exposing to the 5000 port and final command to start the application. Main code of this application, backend code, and Docker compose file. In this file, we are providing a Postgres database details and all. You can see. I'll give the this link in description. You can also and you can deploy the same application. You can try. These are the front-end templates, HTML file and login file. And the requirements, Python Flask and Uniform. Yeah, we'll see the server is out or not. Let's refresh. Yeah, it's up. We can connect now. Yeah, we'll go to the Ubuntu user. This command you can access the Ubuntu user. See, in this directory it is empty now. We'll try to clone the repository from the Git. I'll pick the repository's HTML URL from here. To clone, you need to run this command git clone. We'll ask the username and password. Here you need to observe in the password place you need to provide a GitHub token. For that I generated a GitHub token here. I'm entering the GitHub token. Yeah, it's a repo is clone, part-timers name. To create a GitHub token, I'll show you how to create. In the user settings, in the bottom, deploy settings, personal access tokens, tokens classic. Here, generate token, generate new token. You lost your credentials. Can provide a small note, like a description. You need to select these requirements and all. How you need to access, what are the requirements, and need to generate button. The button. That's it. In this case, you already generated a token. Here, I'm in the token only. Yeah. I need to go to that folder. You can observe these files are appearing here. Dockerfile, Docker compose file, requirements file, templates and all. Before that, we need to install the Docker. First of all, install Docker right now. Docker install Ubuntu. We'll go this document. Simply need to update first. Yeah, it's updated. um, you need to install prerequisites for Docker. Let's install this also. I'll provide this link also to install Docker and all. Okay. We are adding some repositories for Docker, and after that we need to install that. This is the final command. It will take few minutes. You need to read these notes before running the command. What these commands do and all. I think it's installed. We'll check the status for the Docker. No, it's active. You can run the commands in that folder. To go to the folder first, the repository folder, and you have to run the this is the image building command. Sudo docker build -t name. -t means tag, and dot is the folder. We'll run this whole command to create an image, build an image with that code. It's building an image from the code. Yeah, image created. You can check with the command or images. Yeah, see, we given this name, and latest is 13 seconds ago it's created. Yeah, you can run the command for deployment. We're giving the name of my Python container, uh, my Python app image. Yeah, app is deployed. To check with ps command, docker ps sudo docker ps. Yeah, it's running on this container id. See this name, image name. and container name. You can check with your IP, server IP in the browser. You're taking this public IP, and we are running on port 5000. Yeah, it's HTTP page. That's why it's giving warning, saying welcome class app. And I created a small login page with Python code. You can see login page here. That's it. You can check. Yeah, after this login page launch, you can check with your number to check this app. It will store the PostgreSQL database in the server only. Yeah, you need to check with security group before the launching the app. I given here security group open all traffic 00. In real time, this is bad thing. You need to open particular ports, particular traffic type only, SSH and HTTP. With your IPs, your home IPs, your office IPs, you need to whitelist here. Otherwise, it will open everyone. And SSH also, you need to give your IP or office IP within IP like that. For now, I am giving 00. That's it. If you added a HTTPS certificate, need to give a HTTPS type also. That's it. Before launching the application, you need to check these settings on server. Yeah, guys. This is the basic sample app on Docker deployment. If you any doubts, please comment and let me know. Yeah, thank you.